In this video, we'll learn how to deal with bad debts given both inside and outside of a trial balance. Let us see the problem. Treatment of bad debts. Extract of a trial balance as on 31st March 22 is given to you. Particulars: debit rupees, credit rupees. Debtors 4,80,000. Discount allowed 10,000 and bad debts 20,000. So they are given inside the trial balance to you. Now, when discount allowed is given inside the trial balance and bad debts is given inside the trial balance, that means the respective ledgers for discount allowed and bad debts have already been opened, the entries have already been passed, and the impacts have already been given to both debtors and discount allowed and bad debts. That means this debtors of 4,80,000 is after suffering a loss of discount allowed 10,000 and after subtracting bad debts of 20,000. Now you are given some adjustments. Write off further bad debts rupees 30,000. So what we are asked here is we are asked to write off another 30,000 as bad debts apart from what has already been written off. So 20,000 has already been recognized as bad debts. Over and above this, we have to recognize another 30,000 as bad debts loss. So let us see how to solve the problem. I'll prepare a small profit and loss account and a small balance sheet. Profit and loss account for year ended 31st March 22. Balance sheet as on 31st March 22. I'll show the bad debts in the P&L account. Inner column, I already have 20,000 bad debts. To discount allowed 10,000. Debtors in the inner column 4,80,000 in the balance sheet asset side. So I've already recognized bad debts in the P&L account debit side. Loss also, discount allowed also in the P&L account, and the remaining debtors is shown in the balance sheet. Now adjustment entries. We are required to write off further bad debts. What are the entries we pass? We have to pass these two entries now. Bad debts account debit to debtors 30,000 and one more entry to close bad debts account from this entry. P&L account debtor to bad debts 30,000. So this account has to be closed, that is why it is credited and closed. The posting of this entry, P&L account has to be debited with 30,000. We are writing two bad debts. So already given in the P&L account, so I'll write further write off 30,000. Outer column I'll show 50,000 rupees. So this entry is complete. Bad debt account was debited, it is credited, the account is closed. Now we are left with debtors account. As per this entry, debtor account has to be credited. It is already showing debit balance in the trial balance. So I'll say write off bad debts written off 30,000. In the outer column I'll show 4,50,000. Why did I subtract it? Because debtor account shows a debit balance. This entry is asking me to credit the account. That is why I'm reducing the balance. 4,50,000 I'm writing here in the outer column. So this is how I deal with bad debts when it is given inside and outside the trial balance. The bad debt which is given inside the trial balance will be shown only in the P&L account. The bad debt which is required to be written off further and given as part of adjustments, it has to be recognized both as a loss and also in the balance sheet as a subtraction from debtors. So this is how I deal with a problem on bad debts when it is given both inside and outside of a trial balance. Thank you.